Hello. Naiya pa ako. Ay, naku. Hello, welcome back. It's been a long time since I do the podcast. Many things na kailangan ko lang priority, but eto, as the year ends, gusto ko lang bumalik sa podcasting. And just to share my reflective views within this year. But before that, I want to explain ano ba yung history ng Her Story. Siyempre, lahat naman ng bagay yung pinagmunan, di ba? Una, it started as vlogging when I was 19 years old. And this vlogging was discovered by accident na I just want to express myself to poetry or literature or reflective lang. Then, yung friend ko kasi writer sa church. And then, binigay niya yun sa kakilala niya. And then, sabi niya, maganda. So, that poem is called Chinelas. And then, yun, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. Hanggang naging hobby ko na siya. Lagi na ako nagsusulat. Like, every time that I think of something that I want to reflect on, I write. Wala lang. And then, I'm not after the views. And I'm not after that. I just want to inspire people. Kasi ngayon, like, people, or one of the sources they're looking for is social media for hope. Right? Something. Pag hindi sila nakakuha ng insight, diba? Especially in the different personalities. So that's the purpose of this Her Story. And now, like 2025 or 2020, when COVID, when content creation became a thing, masyado naging expanded ang digital arts. Ngayon, and then very wide variety na lahat. Tapos, naging iba na yung approach. So, it's different, right? Pero, it's the generation, and marami na rin naging communication. Marami na rin naging communication styles. Like, before, text and call lang. Ngayon, naging text, call, story, posting, video, everything, like in technology now was very expanded at the same time because you can earn money, right? But that's not my purpose. Sabi ko, I just want to continue what I'm doing with a different approach. Because this is how the people now communicate with technology and everything. And also, ayun lang, ang saya lang mag-share ng journey mo with God, with other people, that you can reach out. Ngayon, hindi na siya limited from on your circle. Now, you can do it on social media now. But, I just want to enjoy this and whatever God's plan for this podcast. Yun lang. Paalam.